Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. Robinson, and we are going to continue our studies. We are now reviewing for the midterm, the interim math exam, the grade 7, so 2019. All right, here we go. If you need help with your homework, please use the Dollar Teacher Homework Helpline at 212 777 3380. That's from Monday to Thursday from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Don't forget to watch our show Math Time Tuesday from 4:30 to 5 p.m. on Optimum Cable Vision Channel 15. Remember, Dr. Rob has tutorial videos on YouTube, so take a look at my videos. My channel name is Dan Robinson. We have a new release, PKMS Math Prep 18. That's a very nice movie. I think you'll like it. And we are now working on Math Prep 19 for this 2019 school year. So check it out when it comes out. So look for us by subscribing to our channel, and you can tweet us at DRobMath1. All right, let's begin. Andrew bought a gallon of milk for $2.99 and four equally priced boxes of cereal. If his total bill was $17.35, how much did each box of cereal cost? All right, so let's see, how should we tackle this? So let's draw a little picture here. Let's get a pen first. So, and do a little text coding. The milk was $2.99. He bought four equally priced boxes, so the price was the same for the boxes of cereal. And his total, so the total amount of his bill was $17.35. So the total is where we'll start at. 1735. If we take away the 2.99 from that for the milk, we will find out how much is left. So let's get our calculator and take away this price here. So let's get our calculator, move this over a little bit. So $17.35. Take away, so 17.35. Take away $2.99. And that is equal to $14.36. All right, so that's $14.36. So that's how much is left for the boxes of cereal. Now we got four boxes, so let's make a little quick note here. The prices were the same for the four boxes. So if I had four boxes, and I'll just draw four quick little boxes, each one of them is the same price. And I know the price has got to be $14.36. So since these are all the same, I will have four of these boxes equal to $14.36. So instead of trying to figure out how much is four boxes, what I'll do is I'll just divide by four to figure out how much is one box. So let me divide this by four. Divide by four. Let me get a different color. And scroll down a little bit. Okay. All right, let's divide by four. Divide by four. And this is where our calculator will come back in handy again. So let's get it. So let's divide that answer by four. So by four. And the answer, ANS, stands for this answer, is in the calculator's memory. So all I have to do is press the divide by four, and that'll give me $3.59 is the price. And let's bring that even out here so we can see it. Oh, sorry. So $3.59 will be what it costs for one box. So if you were interested in the cost of one of those boxes of cereal, that would be the answer. So $3.59. Okay, Angela, enjoy your cereal. All right, Sage earns $18.80 per hour for the first 40 hours that she works in a week. She earns 1.5 times that amount per hour for each hour beyond 40 hours in a week. Last week, Sadri worked 45.5 hours. How much money did she earn? All right. So let's do a little text coding, underline some important elements here. So let's see. Let's start off with the money. She earns $18 every hour. Per me would be another way of saying every. For the first 40 hours that she works. All right. So that we can determine her regular salary based on that information, because $18 per hour every hour for 40 hours, we can figure out her weekly salary just by multiplying that. So we take 40 hours, multiply that by $18.80, that'll give us 752. So that would be her regular weekly salary. All right, let's read on some more now. It said that at the end that she happened to do some extra hours over the 40, because it says something about she is going to be paid 1.5 times. Let's move that over there. 1.5 times that amount per hour for each hour beyond 40 hours in a week. Well, she worked 45 hours last week. So that's beyond the 40 hours. So let's see, how many hours is that extra that she worked? Well, if I subtract the two, I will get 5.5 hours. So 45.5 minus 40 hours, she had 5.5 or 5.5 extra hours that she worked. But here's how she gets paid. She earns 1.5 times that amount per hour for each hour. So she's going to get paid a time and a half, which is called 1 time and a half. So that's overtime. So she's going to get 1.5 times. So I'm going to take 1.5 and multiply that by the amount of the amount she makes per hour each hour, which is $18.80 is the amount she works, and that's going to be multiplied by the hours extra that she works. So let's look at this right here, the extra money. So the extra hours that she worked was 5.5, and we've got to multiply that by 1.5 because she gets paid, it says 1.5 times that amount. What amount? The $18.80. So her overtime amount would be $155.10. So that's her extra money that she earns. So what are they asking us? How much money did she earn? I assume they're talking about the total amount. Well, here's a regular salary of 752, and here is her extra amount of money, 155. So if we add that together, we get $907.10. Nice job. Good question. So I hope you understand what's going on. If not, watch the video again, write down your questions, and try it on your own. See if maybe if that'll help you get it right. All right, let's see what else we got. Which expression is equivalent to negative? There's a negative sign there, and it looks like a fraction bar is connected, but be careful with that. So they do put the negative sign in the middle. So negative 1/3, parenthesis 6x plus 15 on the inside parenthesis, and then there's a minus 3. Okay, so first thing that comes to mind when I see a parenthesis next to a fraction is the distributive property. So let me distribute. So that means I'm going to take the negative 1/3 and multiply that by the 6x first. So I'm going to distribute right here. When I multiply that, first thing I'm going to do is make this 6 a fraction, put a 1 under it. Negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. 1 times 3 is 3, and that'll be x with that And I can simplify that. Negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2x. So far, I got the first term, and if I look at a multiple choices, the first term is already negative 2x, so I must have done that right. But now they have a second term, so that means they have to continue their multiplication. So the multiplication or distribution process will be multiplying the negative 1/3 times the positive 15. Again, I'm going to get a fraction out of that 15 by putting a 1 under that. Negative 1 times positive 15 is negative 15. And 3, that's a 3, times 1 is 3. And there's no x I have to worry about. So this will give me, when I reduce that, negative 15 divided by 3, which will give me a negative 5. So I got negative 5. But that concludes my answer for the distribution, but there's also a minus 3 that I got to bring down here. So let me get that minus 3 into the picture, because that's a like term with the minus 5. So I have a minus 3 minus 5, a minus 5 and a minus 3. I can combine that together by drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negatives, and then I got another 3 negatives that I got to draw. 1, 2, 3. So that would give me a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 negatives. So that would give me 8 negatives. Or if you remember the rules, there's no such thing as subtraction of integers. We have to change that by adding the additive inverse of the second fraction, of the second number, sorry. So we add positive, make that addition, and that positive 3 gets changed to a negative 3. And we bring down the negative 5. So we have negative 5 plus minus 3, and that's why I drew 5 negatives and 3 negatives all together, and that gave me a total of 8 negatives. So my first part of the answer was negative 2x, and we saw that all of them had negative 2x. The second part of my answer was negative 8. So I'm going to pick choice D, which is negative 2x, which is the first part, and negative 8 or minus 8, which is the second part. So let's see if we are right. So let's move this, and D is correct. So that was a good question also. So remember your distributive property. Sometimes you got to do a little extra by combining terms. All right. Let's see. Oh, that's it for this session. So if you need help with your homework, there's Dial a Teacher Homework Helpline at 212-777-3380 from Monday to Thursday, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Don't forget to watch our show Math Time every Tuesday from 4:30 to 5 p.m. Cablevision, Optimum Cablevision, Channel 15. Don't forget to check out Dr. Rob on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. Dan Robinson is my name. Check out our latest release, Math Prep 18. Look for Math Prep 19 in a couple months. You can tweet me at drobmath1. So good luck on your exam. I know you're going to do well because you practiced, you worked hard. So check out the videos that are coming up because we'll hopefully have some more in store. Bye-bye.